Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to do Ho'oponopono prayer to clear any competitive examination. This is a highly demanded video from your side. So I have divided the whole video into 3 sections for your maximum benefit. Number first is self, how to clear all the negative energies inside you. Number 2 is environment, how to clear all the negative energies around you, and number 3 is how to clear all the blockages between you and your examination which are creating unnecessary hindrance between you and your success. And I will provide you ready-made template so that you can practice every day. This video can be a bit long, but I will request you please see this video till end, and I promise you this single video can change your current situation. Before starting, let me introduce myself. I am Shamrita Pandey, NLP expert, mindset coach, corporate coach, a handwriting analyst and a healer. So let's get started. So the first point is self. Look at yourself, what you are doing. Are you in a stuck situation? Are you delaying your work, like I will see this movie after the exam, I will meet my friend after the exam, I will visit this family gathering after the exam? Are you delaying your life? Don't do that. These kind of things are very wrong. In this way, you are giving the wrong signals to the universe and attracting more and more such situations which are delaying your happiness and gives you this stuck situations. Live your life. Don't hold yourself. It is very common all the aspirants that they detach themselves from outside world. It is quite common because after your graduation or your post graduation, you start preparing for competitive examination. So these syllabus are quite different from your academics, and your study pattern also. So in this way, you feel detached from your outside world. You can't relate yourself with your old friends who are not preparing for this examination, and you go to coaching centers where you get new friends but don't get enough time to have deep your friendship, or have that kind of equation where you can share your mind or share your emotions. So in this way you feel alone, and these kind of things are very wrong. In this way you start feeling frustrated because this kind of situation are taking your energies. So I will suggest you meet your friends, meet positive friends, try to make friends in your coaching center, or have similar kinds of friends who are preparing for this examination or similar kind of entrance examination, so that you get that energy. I will say have a good hangout once in a week, so that you can have that energy, create this energy. Then prepare for the whole week, and you will see that your productivity level has increased. Having a good social life can increase your productivity and reduce your frustration and anxiety. Use this technique for 3 weeks and see the magical difference in your productivity. If you can't arrange good groups, or you are completely detached from your friends, then you can join my advanced course only for competitive exam aspirants, where you will get your like-minded friends, and you get a positive environment, and also I will work on you individually for your success. If you want to remove all the negativities and have success quickly, then you can join this group. Group link is given below, and see you there. most of the time they don't comb their hair, they don't dress up properly, they don't look good, they don't try to look good. Even girls also, they stop taking bath. So these kind of things are very bad. Suddenly you look at the mirror and you have that kind of bechara kind of look. So don't look like bechara, because this kind of things gives wrong information to your subconscious mind. You always feel like a bechara, and you don't feel good about yourself. So when you don't feel good about yourself, your subconscious mind, which is directly connected to the outside source, or you can say that with the universe, which gives the signal to the universe, are again gives the wrong signal. You don't feel good about yourself, so the outside situation becomes the same way, which makes you feel bad. So always take care of yourselves. Try to look good. Whenever you look at mirror, you have that kind of wow feeling. So you start to feel good about yourself. Now use this technique. Whenever you sit for study, you just study and suddenly you feel negative or frustrated, like every day, every time you feel. You go in front of mirror and feel the good feeling and have that smile on your face, and just use this four phrase: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. This four phrase for 11 times, and then come back to study, and just continue your study. And then again, when you feel frustrated, you go in front of mirror and do the same thing. Just do this for 3 weeks and see the difference. Your frustration level will decrease and your productivity will increase. See this. This is a very magical technique I'm saying you. So this is the first point, and the second point, your environment. Look at your environment. Which kind of environment you are living right now? It is very common for every aspirant, or I can say 95% of aspirants, that their bed occupies, or even I say 75% of your bed occupies your note, your mock paper, your books, your laptop, your mobile charger, your laptop charger, all kind of gadgets, your pen, stationaries, even clothes, everything. Only 25% of your bed is used for sleeping purpose. These kind of things are wrong. Organize everything. Have organized room. Invest in good organizer. In Amazon you will get under 500. So these are good kind of investment. Invest on this. Keep your room organized, and especially boys, please keep your room organized. Keep your bed organized. Keep your study table organized. Invest your time, because at first it may take 2 hours or 3 hours to organize your room and your study table, but later it will take only 20 minutes to 10 minutes to organize your room. Because by organizing everything, you are training your brain. Don't have that confusion, don't have that stress kind of feeling. By organizing everything, you are just stimulating your neurons to work correctly, work clearly, work in an organized manner. So these are discipline you are creating. So do this, and also do Ho'oponopono. Use these four phrases on your laptop, on your books, on your place where you study, and try to burn little bit of camphor in the evening in your room, so that it removes the negative energies. Because most of the time you sit in a place or even in your room and you start to think all kind of negative thoughts. You have stress, you overthink. So this kind of things creates negative energy around you, and especially on your study tables. And sometimes you develop negativity with the subject. You feel bad while studying, and you have kind of you feel very boring or sometimes frustrated while studying, and you develop some kind of negativity with the subject. Just do Ho'oponopono for the subject. Just say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, to the books, to the copies, or to the mock paper and your practice paper, and clear the energy there. And this will work, and clear the your environment like this. And the third point is that your exam, how to clear your exam. For exam also the same, you develop lots of expectations, lots of, you pressurize yourself, and from outside circumstances also you relate all kinds of negativity, because when you enter in competitive examinations, start preparing for competitive examinations, lots of people are there to criticize you, and you connect their criticism with your exam. So in this way you take lots of pressure, and you develop negative energies, your negative emotion, as the blockages between you and your exam. So I will now give you the current ready-made template where you can practice it every day, and it will surely help you. And let's start practicing. I know you are waiting for this template from very beginning. Until now, if you like this video, then just give a like. And if you have any queries or any particular suggestion, comment below, and also share with your friends who needs it. And let's start the practice. Okay, let me start the music here. So guys, I have started the music. Put your right hand on your heart, close your eyes, take a deep breath and exhale, and repeat with me. I am really sorry, my dear exam, for criticizing you. I am really sorry for not preparing myself for better results. Please forgive me, my dear exam, for creating this thought that if I don't pass this exam, I won't be successful in my life. Please forgive me for not giving my 100%. Thank you, dear exam, for giving me this opportunity to grow myself. Thank you, dear exam, for taking care of me. Thank you for helping me to grow. I love you, my dear exam. I really love you. I now understand that my happiness does not depend on this exam. It does not matter if I fail or pass. It does not matter if I got selected or not selected. I can still be happy. I can still create my dream. I can still create my dream future. I can still live my life to the best. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am really sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. My dear exam, I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Slowly open your eyes and relax. Guys, how you are feeling right now? Write it in the comment section. I will read all your experiences. And if you have any suggestion, then write it there. Or if you have any queries or you want me to do videos on any particular topic, then you can write there. Or you can join my Instagram account where you can directly message me. If you want to join the advanced course, then the group link is given below and write it there, the competitive exam group. Here I have created a separate group for the competitive exam aspirants where I clear particularly all the blockages regarding your exam and all the negative thoughts or negative problems you are facing right now, and clear the subconscious. Or if you want free healing session, you can join the same link below. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, because in coming videos I'm going to cover all the problems regarding your exam. And if you have any particular request, you can write it in the comment section. I'm requesting you again. And if you like this video, share with your friends. Until then, bye and keep on preparing.